Good afternoon. We are going to, I just wrap this one up. We're going to actually do some cutting here. I just want to give you a quick rehearsal or a little more information on what we covered, where we stopped last week. We told the machine what tool we were going to use. We put the offsets for the tool in with this height offsetter, which tells the machine exactly where the tools are or what tool is. Then we use this particular tool to tell the machine exactly where part 0 is, X, Y, and Z. The machine knows exactly where the tool is, and all it needs is the program. The program is here on our computer, and we graphically took it off of a drawing, wrote all the numbers in, and at this particular point, we saved it on our USB, and we put our USB in the computer. We told the computer to look at the USB. We can do that. Up here, she's in USB. It's looking at this particular program. Then we're going to select that program, 17. We're ready to go. And if we would like to, we can just check it in the graphics just to make sure. We'll run the graphics. And we're in single block. I'll take it out of single block. Run it again. And it's going to go. And here we go. Okay, slightly off up on the top. We're not going to bring it back down, but you can see the B and the E. We're going to produce this on this plate right now. The one thing we're going to do to make things go a little bit easier so you can see is we're not going to have the coolant on right now. We're only going to go a very light depth of cut, and I'm using a little bit of cutting oil on top of the plate so that it helps it just slightly. It's only aluminum and we're not going very deep, so we should be pretty good. Now, gotta close the door, and we're going over the spindle 8, come back down to there. We're in the right work off sheet, 154P2, blah, blah, blah. And it says it right up in there, and we're pretty much ready to go. I'm going to do single block again, and we're going to start this. Okay, we're getting ready now. We're going to actually run the work. We showed you how to put the tools in and the plate in, find part 0 and tool offset. I'll just come up here to the graphics and we'll check it one more time. We'll go to graphics and we're going to, let's go to F2 for a second. Let's go to graphics. And we'll go single block first. It's in single block. And it looks like we're ready to go. BE on the money. Are you ready? Okay. Memory. Reset. Let's get the offsets up here. I'm gonna get ready to go. I would like to just make sure the machine knows where we're at. So let's do MDR for a second. Okay. Looking good so far. Everything's looking good. ladies and gentlemen. So ends the program. Here's our part. And there we have it.